division, and today we're going to look at Tony Hawk Ride. It's a little bit different from what you've seen in previous versions of Tony Hawk. Gone are the need for controllers. What we now have is the Tony Hawk deck. You'll notice that it has 4 motion sensors and 2 accelerometers in the head and in the tail. So that way it knows if I'm dragging my feet across, if I want to gain speed, or if I'm trying to grab the board to do a grab trick, or if I have the front of the board or the back of the board up, if I'm doing special ollies or nollies in order to gain there. The back of the board is beveled, so you can actually steer the skateboard just by leaning, either slightly or more acutely to make sharp or just subtle moves. So the first thing I'll do is I'll get on the board here, and we'll get on the grinding. In the game, you have choices of directions you can go. In casual mode, it directs you right along the path, so you don't have to worry about steering. But you can choose the direction that you want to go. In this case, we're going down the center path and using this upper walk to do stunts.
And again, how do you choose the move that you'll pull in the air? Like if you want to do a kick flip or a heel flip or some kind of a...
The heel flip and kick flip are using my balance on the back foot and how I twist that. A flick or doing some vert ones will involve having the board up and rapidly moving it to one side or the other. Also, if I'm doing a grab trick, I simply have to move my hand by the sensor, and the game registers that I'm grabbing it while I'm doing that. If I cover the board with my foot, my character will crouch in the game, getting even more height during the trick.
Hi, my name is John Hiron. I'm the Key Account Manager for Future Shop at Best Buy, and I'll be giving you a live tech demo of the Avatar game today from James Cameron. So, this is James Cameron's new epic. It's going to be based on his movie. We worked in conjunction with him for the last 3 years on this. It's one of the first games that's going to be 3D compatible. So if you have a 3D system, meaning TV or computer screen, it'll be fully 3D compliant.
Graphics look unreal.
The graphics are absolutely incredible. It's using the Far Cry 2 gaming engine, so we built it on a great plateau to start with. So the opening of this scene starts with your helicopter. You're being charged with fighting your way through this land so you can clear a path to the landing site. So as you can see, the land is pretty much a 3D instructable environment. I will just take you through a little cruise here. We're developing this game on several platforms: Xbox, PlayStation 3, Nintendo DS, PSP, as well as PC. So it's pretty much coming out on every platform available right now. So the game we're going to show you today is the Assassin's Creed 2. It comes out on November 17th. Some of the elements that we're really excited about: we've got a new key character. His name is Ezio. We kept all the best things from the first version and managed to add in some elements from the second. So as you can see, anybody can be killed, anybody can meet their untimely end. So if you walk gently through the crowd, you don't gather any attention. If you sprint through the crowd, making a fuss of yourself, you gather a lot of attention, which allows a lot of different options and combinations. So still the elements of the first game that people love, a lot of crawling around. Just about any area can be reached through crawls, hops, skips, and jumps. I'll just get him to crawl up the building quickly for you.
Yep.
And there's the famous hang gliding sequence that will get you up and ready on.
Is it a very easy game to get the hang of?
Normally, yes. Yes. see the little windsock is there for a reason.
Okay.
Our friend Leonardo da Vinci was a bit busy over the last few days. I made him a new toy.
Are there lots of different things you can sort of fly or ride or anything like that in this game?
Yeah, Leonardo da Vinci was actually involved in helping us create this. So a lot of the inventions that Leonardo came up with over the course of time are actually used in the game. So being it leverage points, flying machines, or the simple invention of the wheel. So it's really taking on history as well as the game.
Cool. Thanks a lot for showing me the game. I really appreciate that.
Pleasure's all ours. Thanks so much.
Okay.
Cheers.